Welcome to Mom and Baby Wellness, and our today's topic is 5 DIY best home pregnancy tests that you can take from the comfort of your home. So stay tuned, that is what we'll be looking at just now.
We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go.
Welcome back again. My name is Nasteri, and I want you to check out this disclaimer first. By the end of this video, you will find out 5 different DIY home pregnancy tests that you can take right now. And on to our very first DIY home pregnancy test. It's with salt, and this is how you do the home pregnancy test with salt. These are the steps. Our second DIY home pregnancy test, it's with toothpaste. This has to be white toothpaste, not any red, not blue, not any. It has to be white like this one here. Can be from any brand, and this is how you do it. Our third DIY is with salt. I do not want to repeat this video because I have done it previously. Kindly check this video up here. I did it. I proceed to our fourth DIY. I want to ask you one question. Have you tried any DIY home pregnancy tests before, and what was your experience? Please leave your answer in the little comment box below, and I will get to read and comment to each one of them. Our fifth DIY, it's very simple. You only need a clean container and your urine, and these are the steps. Our sixth DIY, I want to recommend you watch this video up here. It's on 20 early symptoms before and after a missed period. You need to check that video out because it will also help you to discover whether you're pregnant or not pregnant even before you take these pregnancy tests. So I highly recommend you do that. Our sixth, it's with dandelion leaves. These leaves, you can find them anywhere in your compound or even in your neighbor's compound, and these are the steps for testing pregnancy using dandelion leaves. I hope you've enjoyed all those, and I hope you're going to try 2 or 3, and I want you to try them and also come back here and give us your results. So try them and also tell us how it went. Did you like it, or was it challenging, anything like that? And I want to mention something. These home pregnancy tests, as you read from the disclaimer, they should be for fun, not a confirmatory test, because sometimes they can be false, just like other over-the-counter pregnancy test kits. And I want to tell you that there's a pregnancy test kit that you can use. It's called Fast Response Rapid Pregnancy Test Kit, and with this pregnancy test kit you can get your results as soon as 6 days, even before your missed period.
Well, we fell apart.